everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sharon Cullen Art. Today I've been working on little houses, tiny houses that I'm sketching, and just to get a little better at them, but I'm doing all straight on views. I'm not doing anything really complicated, but I'm just doing like these speed sketches in like half hour or less. And I had been doing them. I've only gotten a few done. These were my first couple that I did. This one I messed up on, and then I did this one today. And now I'm going to be doing this other cottage. But the other thing that I've been working on today were thank you cards. I've been receiving thank you cards from some of you YouTube subscribers, and I really appreciate it. You guys have lifted my spirits so much. If it's in the comment section down below, commenting or contacting me on Instagram, direct messaging me, whatever it may be. Some have contacted me on Facebook who had previously been friends of mine on Facebook, but I don't use Facebook very much. So if you friend me, I probably won't ever see it. You're better off finding me on Instagram. But anyway, today I thought I'll do some thank you cards. I need to get some done. So I did this little one here with this butterfly, and then I decided, why not paint envelopes? I saw a guy that was painting envelopes on Instagram. I thought, genius, why am I not doing that? I don't care if they get a stamp over them, you know. I thought, that's really cool to receive an envelope in the mail that's already painted. So I got to cover up this address. But yeah, so I decided to do some paintings of envelopes as well. And on this one, I even did the back. So yeah, I thought, what the heck, but I've got to find the other cards. I thought they were here, but they must still be in my house, and I set them aside to bring over here so I could do thank yous, and I'll have to work on those later in the week as well. But I also wanted to continue on with these houses, and when I got the pencil sketch done on this one, which took me about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, there's a lot of lines and colors and stuff. I'm going to go ahead and finish this. I'm sorry, I bumped my camera again. Now, I got this idea from somebody else, another YouTuber. So if somebody else knows her, you may have seen this a few years ago. She's a beautiful artist. I mean, her work is amazing. And her name is Minnie Small. She's in the UK, in London, and she's so wonderful to watch. She does a lot of videos on her business and the business end of being an artist and stuff, but she also does some drawing and sketching and mixed media, watercolor, that kind of thing as well. And she's just a pleasure to watch, and I just love listening to her voice. It's so soothing. But anyway, that's where I got the idea from. And what she does to find her houses that she wants to paint, she goes onto Google Maps. I thought, genius. So I started doing it. Go on to Google Maps, you get your little yellow guy, drop them into a heavily populated area, and just start walking the streets looking at houses on Street View. Find one you like, line it up, snap a photo of it, bam, move on. And you can be painting all of these houses, and you're not using photos on Google that might be copyrighted or whatever. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started on this. But again, thank you so much to everyone who sent me well wishes, who sent me cards. Those cards were wonderful, and they made my day. You guys know when you receive happy mail in the mail, it's just so nice. And I do not post my address, but if you wanted to send me something, you would have to contact me, and I'll send you my address personally. I don't post it on YouTube for everyone because I don't use a P.O. box. So anyway, if that's the case, you can always contact me on Instagram, direct message me. That would be the best way. Or if you know me on Facebook, you can direct message me on Facebook. I do use Messenger. You don't have to be a friend of mine to message me. And my name on Facebook is Sharon Ross Cullen, but I'm not accepting friend requests at this time because I don't watch the news feeds. It just gets me all riled up and upset with politics and all that. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? I'm sorry I didn't think to record this before doing my pencil sketch, but it's basically exactly what I'm doing here with the pen. And I still made a mistake on this on the front, but nobody will know. You know, you don't see the photos, so you don't know if I'm making a mistake or not. But it was just a cute little cottage with all sorts of uneven sides. The roof was longer on one side, and these straps of wood that they put on here and there didn't really make sense, but it was so quaint, so I just had to draw it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get notified of all my upcoming videos, and don't forget to hit the like button. And remember, be courageous, paint with wild abandon, and most of all, be kind to each other. Have a great day, everybody. God bless you.